In this video, I'll show you what blinking a red light twice usually means, and the easy fixes you can try. Let's fix this. What does the two-blink red light mean? When a Samsung TV blinks its red standby light exactly 2 times, it usually means the TV has detected a power issue, software glitch, or internal hardware fault. While blink codes differ between models, two blinks commonly point to a failing power supply board, a malfunctioning main board, or a startup failure caused by an external device or corrupted firmware. It doesn't always mean the TV is dead. Step 1. Try a power reset. Start by performing a proper power reset. Unplug your Samsung TV from the wall and leave it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 to 20 seconds to drain any leftover power. After that, plug the TV directly into the wall and try turning it on. Step 2. Check the power source and cable. A weak or unstable power source can cause Samsung TVs to blink twice and refuse to turn on. Try using a different wall outlet, preferably in another room, to rule out electrical issues. Remove any surge protectors or extension cords, as these fail more often than people realize. Inspect the TV's power cord for damage, loose connections, or burn marks. Step 3. Update the firmware. If the TV sometimes turns on and sometimes doesn't, the blinking could be caused by corrupted firmware. Once the TV successfully powers on, go to Settings, greater than Support, greater than Software Update, and install the latest update. Firmware updates often fix power on bugs and boot loop behavior. If the issue continues, you may consider a factory reset, but only if you can access the menu. Step 4. Remove remote batteries. Sometimes the issue has nothing to do with the TV itself. Remove the batteries from your remote to rule out stuck buttons sending constant signals. Then unplug all HDMI and USB devices. Faulty HDMI devices can interrupt the TV's boot process and cause the red light to blink twice. After disconnecting everything, try turning the TV on using the button on the TV body. Step 5. Hardware problem. If none of the easy fixes work, the two-blink red light usually points to a failing internal component. The most common culprits are the power supply board, main board, T-con board, or a shorted LED panel. Symptoms like clicking sounds, the screen flashing once, or the TV turning off immediately usually confirm hardware problems. Should you repair or replace? If your Samsung TV is still under warranty, contact Samsung support before doing anything else. For older TVs, call a repair shop and describe the blinking twice issue to get a quote. Power board repairs are usually affordable, but panel-related issues often cost more than replacing the TV. If the repair cost is over 50% of a new TV, replacement is generally the smarter option.